Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and in this video series I will explain all the elements of the free Elementor page builder. In my opinion, the best page builder for WordPress. You can get it through ferdycorp.com/Elementor. You can download it, upload it to your website and learn a ton of stuff about Elementor on this YouTube channel. If you like this video, please like it, and if you're new here, please consider to subscribe for more upcoming WordPress tutorials. Now let's get started. In this video we are going to take a look at the tab element. I really like this element, so let me search for it, tabs, and I drag it over here. What you see is two tabs. So if you update it and you take a look, you see some information over here, and if you go to the second tab, you see also different information with the same text. So if I would go to tab 1 and say photography, you can change the text over here, so I can paste it, and that's it. If you want to, you can add an image by adding media, but I don't want that. And here you can make things bold, italic, and all that stuff. If you want to know more about that, then go to the text editor tutorial. I close this, I go to the second one, and that is film. And I paste my text for film, and then I close it, and I add a new item, or I duplicate the latest one. And I call this one web design. I scroll down and I paste my text like that. I update it and I take a look. Now you see photography, film, and web design. So in that way you can display your information in a tab using tabs. But what I want to do now, I want to duplicate this area and remove this one, and I just want to add an image. So like that, I choose the image, this one. So people see who we are, and then they see those tabs over here. Photography, film, web design. But what if I want to change the look and feel? How can I do that? I go to the element and I can change the type from horizontal to vertical. So let me do that. Update. What I see is that photography is not one word. So I can drag this to the left, or if I bring it back a bit, I go to the element, I go to style, and I say navigation width, and I change it like that. So that's what you can do. You can play around with those settings. The border width, this border over here, you can make it 5 pixels or just 1, and you can change the color, make it blue for instance. Say 2 pixels. We can have a background like that, and then it's only this area over here. And then we can change the title. We can change the color of the title, but you can also change the color of the active title. So I can make this one dark, maybe a bit darker, and then you see it's active. I can make it upper cases, but then I need to go back and change this, or I go to the typography and I make it a bit smaller. So that's what you can do. And then we have the content. We can change the color of the content and the typography of the content. So if I update it, it looks like that. Film, web design. If I duplicate this whole area, I can drag this over here. I can drag this element over here. And what I also can say, again, I can make it horizontal like that. Update. So now you see it here, photography, film, and web design with a beautiful border around it. I like it when the color is still the same. So I go to style, active color, clear, update. And now it's blue. So that is what you can do with the tabs element. Thank you for watching this video. If you have a question, please leave a comment. If you like the video, please like it. And if you haven't done so, please consider to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification icon. and in that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Have a great day, and you will see me the next time. Bye bye.